Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix JBL headphones not charging. So basically what you'll need to do is turn on your headphones and then go to plus and minus icons, hold it for a bit until the lights goes off. So let's hold it, and as you can see it automatically starts to blink and now it will restart it. So that means we did hard reset, and now you can try plugging it and charging these headphones. So you'll need to plug right here and try charging it. If it doesn't work, check the cable that you're using for a charge. If that doesn't work too, it means that your port is dead on the headphones and needs to be fixed. So that's pretty much it guys. If this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.